Hi girlies, sharing to you my current skincare products. I've been using this retinol set for a few weeks already and honestly, I've been loving the effects on my skin. This set includes retinol toner, serum, and cream. This toner is designed to reduce the appearance of wrinkles and fine lines by hydrating your skin with 5 types of hyaluronic acid. Works perfectly for me because it fights my acne signs and breakouts. It also brightens and even outs my skin tone. I also noticed that it reduces my dark spots and pimple marks. Next is the retinol serum. This serum contains retinol that restores elastic skin and 5 types of complex hyaluronic acid and grape juice extract to moisturize and maintain elasticity of the skin. I love how it makes my skin smoother and more radiant. It's lightweight, non-irritating, and gentle into the skin. Lastly, the retinol cream. This cream has natural exfoliant which helps remove dead skin cells, revealing a brighter and more vibrant complexion. I love how it replenishes and nourishes my skin. It also reduces the redness, irritation, and inflammation of my skin. You guys should try this set now.